Hello, welcome back. I have an Apis Brady with us today, and this is a cool wee lock. It's a lockout, and it is like must be about 80% plastic or something. The shackle is plastic. The whole body's plastic. The only thing that's metal is the actual core itself and the two ball bearings inside. There's a key. This was ucof's lock, and it came to me via Richie, so thanks very much. And there's the number there, it's a 7140, and there's the keyway. So not really a tough keyway in spite of all the wording. Let me just see if I can remember. Yep, so I think that one's going to work, if I can get it to go in. Take the Peterson gem, and we will see if we can get in this wee tiny full set. Big full set now. Just trying to find that last pin, and I think I overset. I was trying to get pin 1 there, but it didn't seem right. Go to the back again. Everything's feeling springy. There you go. Release that back up. Back into that large full set. Right now, let's check the rest of the pins before we try and attack pin 1 again. That's pin 4, I believe, but wasn't the right one. So I don't know if you can see, like, there's the full set there, so it does come right round. I think also the angle the tension wrench sits in exaggerates that even more. But we're stuck on something, and I feel like the one last pin, was that it? Yep, pin 4 seemed to be the last one, and that's, oh, took out a frame. That's it open, and here we go. And normally on a lockout, well, that's as far as you can go. But this one you can remove the core. Boy, was I happy whenever I discovered that. Unwrap the key here first, see what the bitting looked like, because, well, I don't know yet. Sorry. So there's the bitting there. Nothing too terrible. It's quite hard to see that light. I'll try and get a better photo later than that on, but let's get this out and see what's inside. So we'll undo the screw. Dump it out. And then this should come out. There we go, so there's the housing that the core sits in. That locks everything up again, all plastic. You know, the screw goes down into that, there's no connections, so it's clearly got its use in an electrical environment. Just Try and move everything out of the way. Let's see if we can't get the core out. Set that over there, set that over there, and we'll get our small follower. See, the pins are up there. Right, I'm going to turn this, no, just use a shim. Won't use the shim actually. I've had this apart before and the tolerance is really tight for my follower. So what I'm better doing is just rotating this round. Use the back of this pick. Rotating that round just so this bit's down there and we'll have a nice big gap for all the pins to fall into as I'm trying to remove the core. There we go. So I can just fix the camera there a bit and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all standards. There's the core there, no counter milling or nothing, just a bit of a flattened top. Straighten those out after. I'm looking for my tweezers. Find them. Right. So, here we go. So pin 1 is standard. Pin 2 is a spool. Three is a spool, I just dropped it, I'll get it in a minute. There's 4 is another spool. Five is another spool. And finally 6, another spool. Where do we go? Bring you over for a close up and I'll get all this mess tidied up and I'll get a good wee photo after. So all standards on the bottom and 5 spools and a standard on top. There you go guys, thanks for watching. That was the Abbas Brady and it was the 7140 lockout padlock. Thanks very much.